So our doctor's appointment is finished and we're gonna eat here at the Alive restaurant. It's a complete vegan plant-based restaurant. Fresh. Oh, really fresh. So this is what I ordered. This is eggplant lasagna, gluten-free version. And it's a zucchini wraps. So it's lekker. It's yum. Oh, tastes really delicious. Grabe, ang sarap. Sarap ng sauce nila. Ang sarap ng sauce. Grabe. It's not your usual lasagna because they use eggplant. Pero this one is a bomb. As in. Marami na ako natikman na plant-based lasagna. But this one is on the top. Sarap. Und, beide schmeckt gut?
Ja.
So, another one. This is cauliflower skewers. Looks nice. So, this is cauliflower skewers. That's a cashew sauce. It's a little bit sweet sour and grabe pagkakagawa niya sa cauliflower. And ang sarap. We need to do this.
I asked the kitchen.
It's really good. This is 5-star plant-based restaurant. So yummy. Hi guys! It's day 3 to our treat here in the farm at San Benito. And last night, hindi ko na siya na-video, I did the myotherapy. So it is a deep tissue massage. It's a dry massage. They don't use oil or powder. It's just a pressure point lang kung saan talaga yung mga masasakit sa katawan mo. And deep tissue massage as well. So, ayun, sobrang sarap and naka-relax ako and ang sarap ng tulog ko. And this morning, I also did the sound healing meditation there at the amphitheater at the back. We did that at 10 in the morning. So, we activate our chakras in our body. So, I learned a lot today. So, from a different chakras of the body. So, gagawin ko rin siya next time. It's good for the concentration and for the cognition of mind. So, ayun, maganda siya. And also, I did another colon therapy, which is the Angel of Water. I did it around 12 in the afternoon. So, they infused 38 liters of water in the colon. So, up to the upper colon, talagang nilinis niya. And, yeah. It was really relieving and makikita mo talaga kasi parang may mirror siya and you will see kung ano yung lalabas dun sa pagdumi mo. So, yeah, it's really nice that I able to do this. And, ayun, maganda rin siyang therapy for everyone. Yun nga, sinabi ko kahapon na constipated also. and very good. Ano siya, maganda talaga kapag you try the Colema and then the Angel of Water. And then tomorrow, meron pa ako yung last ko na about my colon therapy, yung rectal infusion naman. They will infuse wheatgrass or aloe vera para mag-smoothen yung yung aking colon. So, yes, beautiful day today. Umulan kaninang umaga, but now it's really nice. And I have an appointment later at 3 in the morning. I'm gonna have my infusion immuno boost therapy with vitamin C and minerals. So I'm just waiting here, just relaxing and read my book. So my partner is now in his Colema therapy. So naglalakad-lakad lang ako here today. So nice here. Sana ganito, magkaroon ako ng ganito one day. Manifesting. Ano niya, pakpak niya. Pero hindi niya pa winawal. Baka mainis na siya sa akin. Hello! Hi! Ayan guys, umabot pa ako sa aking IV therapy. Medyo na-late ako ng kaunti because of the fitness assessment. But now I'm here. First time to have this. This is Immunoboost Vitamin C high dose. It's 30 grams of vitamin C. Goes directly to your veins. So vitamin C is very essential in our health. Not just for immune system, but also for the tissue repair, wound repair, skin rejuvenation. So that's why I included this one. Even though nagsusupplement na tayo ng vitamin C, minsan excrete lang siya through urine. So sometimes maganda rin magkaroon ng high dosage of it through infusion. But of course, with your licensed therapies, with your licensed holistic care clinic, you should do that. Yes. So, mama in the house. Sundo kami. We're going home.
Open the feather pickup.
Mama, you can fly already.
You can fly. No, she only do that when she's flirting. Kapag flirt siya.
Flying around.
Kapag gusto niyang makipag-flirt.
Look at that! Look at that! There you go!
What? Ate. Hi guys! So this is our last day. Nakapag-check out na kami and nakapag-lunch na rin, and we are so happy to experience this kind of wellness. So yung last therapy namin is about the holistic doctor, and I learned a lot during my stay here. I understand a lot what my body tells me, and also the digestive system as well. So thank you again guys. So yung mga iba hindi ko na siya na-show kasi I want to enjoy this place. So pangit naman kapag lagi ko na lang binablog. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching, and see you again for my next video. Bye from the farm.